What's going on, guys? So today's video I want to show you guys how to change the battery in my Dodge Charger Keyfob. It's a 2015 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Pretty much be applied to any Charger, or probably many Dodges of this year. Excuse me. So first things first is you're going to go ahead and jump on your computer. I chose Amazon. Choose whoever you want. You order your parts. You click order. You wait 2 days, and then you just kind of, snap your fingers. And before you know it, should be at your front door. Go to your front door, grab package. Alright, here's the package. Let's get it open. Knife. Let's do this. Big ass box for these couple little batteries. So once again, I ordered the Panasonic CR2032 batteries. I did double check this is what the remote takes. I do recommend you actually taking apart your fob first, just to make sure that this is the battery you need before you go ahead and order. So let's go ahead and get ready to get this started. Real quick, I want to show you something really. I want to show you exactly how dead this is. So here's my key fob. Let's just go walk outside real quick. Here's my car. Unlock. Oh, it worked. Don't make me look like an idiot. That's lovely. Anyway, it hasn't been doing anything for me. Like, if I'm like usually this close, except for right now I'm filming, maybe look like an idiot. Usually when I press the unlock button, it does nothing. So, yeah. Go figure.
You suck!
Alright guys, so once again, this is the key fob. If you turn around here, this little spring, you just slide it, as you can see right there. Slide it over. Pop the spare key out. This is now the fob for the 2015 Dodge Charger. I went ahead, I got a flathead screwdriver. All you got to do is simply, right here, I'm just going to go ahead and twist this guy. By the way, you could probably use like a quarter or something. And just so you know, it wasn't this easy the first time around, but I think now that it's a little on the loose side, it looked pretty easy. So let's go ahead and get the rest of this open. Whoops. Battery popped right out. That's great. So once again, here is the old battery. Panasonic. So I'm going to go ahead and put the new one in. Let's open it up real quick. If you look real close, there's a little plus sign here, so we'll put that down. There we go. And the easy part, just kind of get it all lined up. And that should do it. I bet now if I hit the remote start, you should actually hear the car start. There you go. So, pretty simple. Not bad at all. If you have any comments or questions or concerns, comment below. Please hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos on my Charger Scat Pack or my other cars, please subscribe. I will see you guys next video. I hope this was helpful. Alright, later.
It's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?